We are Medical Engineers Company from Chennai, manufacturing vacuum extractor. We have silicone cups of different sizes. The smaller one for the priming and the bigger one for the multi cases. Always use the bigger cup, practical. We have metal cups for occipito anterior positions and occipito posterior position for rotated head, lateral transverse position. Okay, now I am going to talk about the machine, that is vacuum extractor machine with the regular model and digital model. This is the digital model, is an advanced model because you can see precisely as well as alarming facility for maximum pressure. Okay, and this machine in the back side it is electrically connected, which is very simple, and this is the wire for twin foot switch. You see the twin foot switch. Okay, it runs with a very minimal power of 50 watts capacity. There are two. You can see the foot switch with the double pedal, one for vacuum creation, the blue, the yellow for vacuum release. You just see how we are applying the vacuum. Now we have to apply the cup on the flexion point exactly like this. Squeeze it and then apply it so that it will be inserted easily and then applied. Then you see how to press the blue one, the vacuum runs and the pressure increases up to 300-350. That's it. Check no maternal tissues not caught in between the cup and the scalp. This is an important step. Okay. Again to 580 millimeter mercury. 580 is equivalent to 0.8 kg per centimeter square. You see, 0.8. You can see in millimeter mercury or kg per centimeter square. During traction, you apply your left hand on the cup, the left main thumb finger on the cup to counter push, and the two fingers to feel the detachment and the cup descends. So the right hand pulls down, straight and upwards. That's it. Once the head delivered, low foot switch, the vacuum get released. See, the vacuum get released to 0 and the cups, once the vacuum is completely released, the cup detaches and comes out. Now the baby is delivered safely. There is one more releasing mechanism instead of foot switch. When there is a power failure, like this, press. If you press this, the vacuum get released. This is one more mechanism. So during power failures, suddenly the foot switch is stuck somewhere, release it just by pressing this. That's it. Now the cup has to be detached from the bottle, jar, unbreakable polycarbonate jar. Slowly and steadily you have to remove it and send this to for rinsing, complete washing, cleaning. Then you send it together for autoclaving. Sometimes the fluid might enter in through this, so you have to open the bottle and clean it. You open the bottle and open the lid like this and keep it like this and take the lid from here. There is a small guard here like that you remove it and send it for cleaning, rinsing with your antibacterial solution. Again, once the cleaning is completed, refix it nicely, properly. Then you fix the bottle lid jar like this slowly and stuck it like that. Then here one important point is, before fixing the lid, you see there is a small silicone ring. This ring is like a pressure cooker gasket. This avoids the leakage. If it is not properly fixed, the leakage might come. So you fix it properly, see, tightly, nicely, and then you fix it like this. Lock it. The cup written here is for attaching the tubing to the cup. This out is for the machine. Please do not interchange. Thank you.